Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. If y'all wondering while I'm in my kitchen, I'm gonna be baking cupcakes for my Valentine, Caitlyn, today. I don't actually have a Caitlyn, but I'm baking them for her anyway. I also got these roses. They are artificial because save the planet. So I'm pretty sure they don't do blue flowers like real ones anyways that haven't been dyed, and I don't got the money for that all the time. Now, if you guys didn't know this, I'm actually a baking professional and I do not have the instructions on how to make this cake right in front of me right now. Nah, but for real though, I actually did used to cook a lot when I was younger, but now since I've grown up, aged, and I'm old, I do not care for it that much anymore. But I did make a mean cake back in the day, so hopefully those skills are still around. Here are my bowls. Unfortunately, my height, not really sure how I'm gonna sit in the camera and make this cake at the same time. I guess I do, even though I'm really dark down here. Dude, how do people do this? Maybe that's fine. Can you stay? I look well hot. Oh. Cinch in 4 ounces of butter. That's about half of this pot right here. Boop. I need to get all 4 of them in there. Yeah, damn, man. Right. Now it's time for the sugar. We use brown because we're healthy in this household. Why you always lying? We're gonna measure out 4 ounces of this. I think that's about 4 if I'm reading this scale correctly. I got all my sweetness right here. I'm gonna pour it into this big old bowl. Creaming it like this. Okay, these, oh, just nearly fell into the bowl. Teaching certain people how to bake. Not calling anyone out. Jules, anywhere to get in there. Don't be afraid of it, alright? Put your back into it. Get some elbow grease on that. Can you hear that? Ooh, right, that's like good. That means it's good to go, I think. That's what it normally means. We have our eggs now. Scared for my life. It's been a while since I've done this. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look at that. God. You don't want to be crunching on your cupcakes. If there's any shell in there, get it out. Now we've got our eggs that are shellless. I hope. I haven't actually inspected. A whisk, alright? Gently does it now, because you don't want to spray it anywhere. Lovely jubbly, alright? Slowly mix this in this mixture. I'm just going to slowly dip it in there. Put the bowl down so there's no accident. There's no accident. Had an accident. Are you filming? I'm not filming, don't worry. It's on my face. I honestly blame my mum. She distracted me and I was beating the hell out of this. Just slapped and went everywhere. You alright? Looks like scrambled egg. Get out of my kitchen! I'm scared. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. 4 ounces of flour. Oh, no, it's going everywhere. It's happening. Why am I such a mess? Next step is to sieve flour into the wet ingredients. Gotta get it going. Get out of my kitchen! I can't, man. Lord have mercy. It's all jokes, by the way. This whisk slightly resembles Shrek. Y'all see that? Like, no! Alright, this is the last bit. Flour. Pinch of salt. I also do have my oven preheated to 180 degrees. What are these called? Normal cupcakes! I don't know, that's those ones done. Okay, now I'm doing my chocolate. Don't know if that's enough chocolate. I'm really hoping so. I'm sending a prayer because I don't really know what I'm doing. Are you really sure that's enough chocolate? Now get out of my kitchen! Right, I'm praying that's enough chocolate. I have no idea. I'm actually a baking professional. I told y'all I have no idea what I'm doing. I never said I was a professional. I would taste this, but I'm kind of scared of raw ingredients, I'm not gonna lie. Never had an experience with like salmonella or something, but I'm not sure I want today to be my day. Right, here we go. Here are my chocolate ones. I don't want them to all fall off this, but I'm putting them in the oven now. According to my mum, this has just been cleaned. Yeah. But look, they're coming up! They're coming up! You see that? Oh my god. Everywhere you go, you create mess, mum, you know that.
Put on your thighs, which are covered with an apron.
I made a little bit of a mess.
Oh my god.
Well, it could happen to anyone, though. You wouldn't make this much mess.
Definitely not.
I refuse to believe that. Clearly, that was a really good effort of mine. So I'm going to pop open J2O. They need a few more minutes, but they're going. I got them. The chocolate one. Here's the regular. They don't smell like much. I'm supposed to leave them to cool down, but they taste like nothing. If anything, I feel like they could have used more sugar. I guess. Maybe the chocolate one is better. Could have used more chocolate. Anyways, Caitlyn, I tried. I'm sorry. I'm gonna attempt decoration. You know, I think she would still appreciate it, honestly. I've got this, like, modelling dough, which I think maybe they do the art a little bit better. I'm gonna attempt to make a rose right now. Starting off strong, actually. Hope this comes off my fingers, otherwise it does look like I've been doing something inappropriate with a f***ing Smurf, but who did it best? So if there's any Caitlyns out there fancy having the world's cupcakes, hit me up. And who wouldn't want to receive this? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Give it a like if you did enjoy, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.